nice Shiftronic controls for the new Xtronic CVT, which has sort of like a stepped, it has like a stepped programming so that it feels as though the car is upshifting when you're on hard throttle. So, you know, the Murano is quicker than it has been before, despite packing similar 260 horsepower V6 as the previous model, and has also promised to get up to about 20% better fuel economy. So, all good things. I think the Murano is going to be really popular when it arrives in dealers in December of 2014 as a 2015 model. Alright, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.